if there was any doubt before Peter Obi, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party in Nigeria, met the Arewa Joint Committee that hosted the three major presidential candidates for 2023 general election is being cleared. They asked him about the lies concerning profiling Northerners during his tenure as governor. He was able to prove to them with one sentence: if you are able to provide any proof of his hiding any Northerner, nor anybody, even the Igbos, he will stop campaigning. Truth has no hiding place. When they asked him his program for Nigeria and for the North, he was able to prove to them that Nigeria, with the massive land available in the northern region of Nigeria, Nigeria should not be depending on oil. That if Nigeria has been able to capitalize on agriculture and other resources available in the North, that the North will be the toast of the nation and not relying or over-relying on the oil sector that has been plagued with corruption over the years and bad leadership. Unlike others, Obi was honest. He told them that the number of out-of-school children in the North was one of the major problems the North have, and he could help them tackle them by getting them back to school, going by his record in Anambra when he was governor. He was able to move Anambra from lower the cadre of educational ranking to number one across the nation. Which record could be better than that? With that, there's a
mudan karanta ijiri na jikada kuma secondly mun sake zo na iji makada mun san ababe da shi yayi da masu kyau wanda kwana ya ba mishi har yau gobe mun muna da sanin shi da ba muna jira rana dawowa mutane na baya fita wajen kama haka ma Allah ya yi Allah ya kawo ku kuma mun ji daɗi mun fi kuma wanda kun zo mana jin daɗi ba mu tara ba mutane saboda ita a zuciya ba mu karfafa shi in Allah ya sa in zuwa mu kuma da an gama
the result came out. Atiku Abubakar on his part was campaigning on ethnicity. And after that, they were able, the northern elders disowned Atiku and his stand that the president must come from northern extraction. Obi is moving, others are catching up. Who is a leader? You should be able to identify with the people, their problems, their pains, before you're able to tell them where you are taking them to. Flood ravaged the country. Obi called on his co-contestants to suspend their campaign. They refused. Atiku will be identified. Will start touring the flood-plagued area on Tuesday. Obi visited Anambra, Benue, Bayelsa, and he called on the federal government to do more than what is required in order to assist the victims. He donated his little sums because he didn't steal public funds. And in return, some people are saying he is pretending. Okay, why don't you also pretend and empathize with the people? That is the true mark of leadership. He is leading. More Nigerians are identifying with him. Others are playing catch up. and the president of Arewa Youth Forum, Alhaji Yerima, came out to say that the North will shock the nation the way they will vote in 2023 election. 2023 general election is pivotal as none before in the history of Nigeria, because I am running for president, you are running for president, the poor man on the streets of Kaduna is running for president. This is no time for anybody to promise on elephant projects like Atiku Abubakar did in Bauchi, promising them that a dam that was started many years ago, even when he was the vice president, that he would turn around to conclude the construction of that dam. But he was the vice president. And to be fair to Obasanjo, he had ears of Obasanjo. Privatization was under him. He championed it. Why could he not also finish that dam? Elephant project. It's not like somebody going back to say that the Ajokita steel mill will be reconstructed when successive governments have invested in resuscitating that project and nothing came out of it. Our refineries is another example. Millions of dollars have been invested to make the refineries work again, but corruption has not allowed it to see the surface of the day. So anybody promising you that abandoned projects will be looked into when technology has moved on, come on now, Nigeria should wisen up. 2023 general election is coming. Don't vote along ethnicity. Do not vote along religious line. Do not even vote along political inclinations. If the person who will deliver you for presidency is in Labour, vote for him. If the person who will deliver you who will deliver democratic dividends for Senate is in APC, vote for him. If the person for House of Assembly for governor is in other parties, vote for him. I am looking forward to 2023 after the election. In the National Assembly, working with diverse political parties who will converge to know that their best interest is to protect the masses, to deliver the dividend of democracy. Obi did that when he was in Anambra. He won with that structure. PDP controlled the House. But as a sincere and empathic governor, he was able to take Anambra from a debt-ridden state to a state that was able to save a lot of money. 2023 general election is around the corner. The North has the capacity to move Nigeria to the next stage. But are you able to do that? By shunning ethnicity, shunning all these religious bigots who want to ride on the past to also take Nigeria backward instead of moving forward. I am running for president. You are running for president. The masses are running for president. It's time to take our country back.
What we're saying, through your vote, take back your country. And the thing he said is, Nigerians, take back your country. If you want us to split it, Hausa man, take back your country. It's your own. Yoruba man, take back your country. Igbo man, take back your country. Muslim, take back your country. Christian, take back your country. But better to summarize everything and say, Nigerians,
it's time to take our country back. And to me, for presidency, come 2023, Peter Obi is the answer. I am the answer. The masses are the answer. Even the lame are working for Peter Obi. He is leading by example. This is the time to take Nigeria from consumption economy to production economy. Will you come with me on this ride? At the end of the day, shall we be able to say, I did my part? That if you cannot walk, if you cannot run, you walk, and if you cannot walk, you crawl. The time is now. To me and my family, Peter Obi is the answer. God bless you. Be well, do good work, and please do keep in touch. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, share the video, and let us know what you think respectfully in the comment section. This is Chris Digos in Open Whispers. Until we meet again in the arena, cheers.